I've been tuned into the slow living lifestyle for a while now, and recently I wanted to put together a list of some of the inspiring slow living quotes that I've come across. This has everything to do with intentional living and focusing on the moment. I try to make sure that I spend enough time watching my kids grow and experiencing life with them. I also have dedicated time with my wife, as well as time for just me. Maybe playing with my current hobby of photography or just some solitude time. The day is a balancing act, but it's easier when we can embrace a slow living lifestyle. Here's some quotes to inspire you. Adopt the pace of nature. Her secret is patience. One of the best things you can give your kids is actually free, your time. A person must be selective with their time and energy because both elements of life are limited. The troubles of modern life come from being divorced from nature. The question of what you want to own is actually the question of how you want to live your life. Material goods rarely alter our levels of happiness, unlike emotional experience. Having can never replace being. Minimalism is not that you should own nothing, but that nothing should own you. Take refuge in simple life. You will find 3 treasures there: healthy body, peaceful mind, and a life away from ambitious fools. We're so caught up in trying to do everything, experience all the essential things, not miss out on anything important. Life is better when we don't try to do everything. Learn to enjoy the slice of life you experience, and life turns out to be wonderful. Simplicity is the ultimate sophistication. That it will never come again is what makes life so sweet. When we are content, our daily actions are infused with a quiet satisfaction that we share with those around us. We become aware of and responsible for other people's well-being, and they, in turn, for ours. For me, slow living is about embracing a Shizen lifestyle. That's celebrating the human nature connection and living naturally within our contemporary lifestyle. It's about getting rid of the need to constantly be busy and just enjoying the experiences without imposing a goal or a purpose on them. If any of these quotes resonated with you, please let me know which ones down below in the comments. If you'd like to go deeper into embracing a slow living lifestyle, then check out my slow living playlist.